This video tutorial I will cover capturing groups. Here I have defined the class regex demo. It has main method. First I will run this program, then I will explain. Here you can see the output. Here I am calling isMatch method. This method accepts regular expression and the input text. This method checks whether regular expression matches with input text. If yes, it prints true, else it will print false. This regular expression indicates it is a group of two digits. This input text contains two digits, so we got true. And in this input text, there are three digits are there, so it is not matching with this regular expression, so we got false. In this input text, one digit is there and one character is there, so it is not matching with this regular expression, so we got false.